Hello guys, today I'll show you how to find Wi-Fi password on Windows computer. If you are connected to any Wi-Fi and you have forgotten the Wi-Fi password, you just need to follow these steps. Press the window and R key, type ncpa.cpl and click on OK button. A network connection page will get opened. Once it has been opened, click on the Wi-Fi, click on status, click on wireless properties, click on security. Just check the show character mark. And here we go. You have found the password. Let me show you whether this password is working for me or not. I have clicked on OK. See, as of now the Wi-Fi get disconnected. I'm clicking on the Wi-Fi and I'm disconnecting the Wi-Fi. Let me disconnect the Wi-Fi for you for further testing purpose. Clicking on Wi-Fi, manage known networks, clicking on Wi-Fi, then forget. Now let me connect it. It's here, click on connect. I have entered the password what I have showed to you. Click on next. Here we go, it's got connected. Thanks for watching video.